Good morning. So we're all packed. Day 3. It's 7:15 a.m. All good. Map is on. 4 hours to destination. 11:30 is the ETA, but I will take a lot of break. I'm not at all in a hurry. I'll reach there by 2 is good enough. So this is hostless Kodaikanal. A lot of people coming on bike. TNK, the 2 buddies I met. They're from Bangalore and Maharashtra. So okay, that's it. Let's start. No breakfast yet. On the way, we'll pick up something. Keep it on for some time.
I open my front door. The air feels so strange. Names and shapes all starts to change. But I see you clearly, like ink on a page. You'll be my pick of the day. Through the lines and climb new heights. Don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there. Let's go together. Hey, let's take it to nowhere. Do you wanna go there? Leave this behind. It's just us, heading for nowhere. I need you to go there. Be where I've been all this time. Static motel lights, cars that don't bend. No meaning, just means to an end. And when you get lost, don't call it gone. You've been missing all along. Through the lines and climb new heights. Don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there. Let's go together. Hey, let's take it to nowhere. Do you wanna go there? Leave this behind. It's just us, heading for nowhere. I need you to go there. Be where I've been all this
So I'll show you this. I'm saddling now, standing to give you the view of it. Wow, beautiful, huh? I hope it is recording. Yeah. So this is like a private property here. Next time I'll check if I can get a room here. It's kind of a homestay or something. I can see some cafe written there. So I'll check it in Google if there is any option to get a room one night here. Then you can stay here. See, the ladies, the leaf picking season, they are at work. So these ladies are here. They're pruning it. So all are busy here. See here. because they are at work. They're busy. I'll go turn. അവിടെ റൂട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. So that's a dead end. So you take a turn, go back. ശരിയെന്നാ. So this is the workers. They're all very smiling, happy faces. So let's go. That's it. I just wanted to show you a glimpse of this Pooppara. So Pooppara and Pooppara is two almost similar name, extremely different landscapes. Pooppara is a village in Kodaikanal. Pooppara is another town near Munnar. So Pooppara is this one where you can find this tea plantation. The other one is more of a what do you call that, step farming village near Kodaikanal. Both are equally good to visit. Interesting places. So a couple of tourists here. Okay, now we'll go have lunch. It's our favorite place. It's see, this is Pooppara. Can you see? You get to see.